Hello guys, today we bring you a review of the AGM Legion Smartwatch, a device designed for adventurers and all those looking for a reliable gadget capable of withstanding extreme conditions. This rugged watch offers mil-STD 810H military standard resistance, 5 ATM water resistance, a 1.43-inch AMOLED display, built-in GPS support for over 100 sports modes, and numerous health functions with a long-lasting battery and the ability to make Bluetooth calls. The AGM Legion stands out as a top choice for active users with an extremely good price. In this review we will explore all these features, so let's get started. As is usual with AGM products, the watch comes in a recognizable yellow box that exudes industrial design. On the back of the packaging we find the key specifications such as the AMOLED screen, GPS module, support for over 100 sports activities and military resistance. Let's open the box. The first thing we see is user manual in several languages. And below it's a magnetic charger with 2 pins for fast and safe charging. At the bottom of the box is the watch itself. First impression, extremely light, weighing only 53 grams including the strap. You can hardly feel the watch on your wrist. Its design balance between robustness and elegance, making it ideal for both sports activities and everyday wear. The AGM Legion smartwatch comes in 2 basic colors, black and light gray, while the straps are available in several options including orange and black and the green model. The watch case is made of high quality NCVM plastic, which gives additional resistance to scratches and impacts. The silicone strap is soft and pleasant to the touch, and the replacement system allows for quick adaptation to another strap as needed. On the right side of the case we find the 2 large buttons. The upper one is a rotating crown that is used to navigate through the menus, while the lower button directly launches the sports modes. On the back of the watch are sensors for measuring heart rate, blood oxygen levels and stress, as well as magnetic connectors for charging. The AGM Legion is equipped with the 1.43-inch AMOLED display with the resolution of 450 by 390 pixels. Thanks to the high contrast and rich colors, the display is clear and easy to read even in direct sunlight. Although due to the problem with the camera we can see this flickering that I could not solve in real life, the watch display really looks perfect. It supports 5 brightness levels, and a special feature is a glove mode, a mode adapted for users with gloves, which is great for cold or rainy conditions. The watch is powered by the powerful chip with the Cortex M33 star cores, integrated graphics processor and AI accelerator. There is also Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, which allows for stable and fast synchronization with the smartphones. The watch is compatible with Android and iOS devices. Main functions include notifications for calls, messages and apps, Bluetooth calls thanks to the built-in microphone and the speaker, music control and remote camera control, Find My Phone option, more than 100 customizable watch faces so that everyone will find something that suits them. The choice is really large. The watch is paired with the AGM Nexus app, which must be downloaded from the AGM official website. Although not available on the Google Play, installing the application file is simple and quick. In addition to technical and design characteristics, AGM Legion also brings numerous practical advantages for everyday life. For example, Find My Phone function allows you to quickly locate your mobile phone in case you lose it. With intuitive music and the camera controls, make it easy to access your favorite application. All these features are integrated into an elegant and functional system that can be adapted to the needs of each user regardless of lifestyle or working conditions. The AGM Legion offers a very useful functionality for calls, which makes this smartwatch even more practical for daily use, especially in situations where it's important to stay connected without the need to remove the phone from pocket or bag. One of the main features when it comes to calls is integrate microphone and the speaker on device itself, which allows users to send and receive calls directly from their wrist. After connecting your smartphone with AGM Legion via Bluetooth, you will be able to accept, refuse and make calls using speakers and microphone on your watch. For notifications, we have integration with SMS, emails and even notifications with social networks allow you to stay informed without the need for a phone. The watch comes with a series of advanced sensors that allows users to monitor various health parameters, making it not only a smart but also useful tool for maintaining good health. One of the key sensors is the heart rate sensor, which provides a continuous tracking in real time. This sensor can help you monitor the intensity of your exercise and understand your health function better wherever you are, intensive training or in a quiet state. In addition, the AGM Watch Legion has a sensor for measuring oxygen levels of blood, functions with becoming more popular among smartwatches. In addition, the watch also offers to monitor stress and quality of sleep, which helps users understand how their body responds to daily stress and how well they rest. In addition to guided breathtaking exercise, the AGM Watch offers an integrated approach to mental health, which makes it a comprehensive device for monitoring the physical and mental state of user. One of the most powerful characteristics of the AGM Legion is its robustness. With certified, the MIL STD 810H standard guarantees that this watch will withstand high and low temperatures, blows and vibrations, which means that you can wear this watch in the most demanding conditions. In addition, AGM Legion has 5 ATM waterproofing, which means you can swim with it, dive with it with 550 meters deep, and it also resistance to the dust and moisture. This feature makes the watch ideal companion for all kinds of water activities, but also for use in several weather such as rain and snow. One of the most important factors when choosing a smartwatch is the battery life. It comes with a 300 mAh battery, which provides an extremely long-lasting operation. The watch can withstand 7 to 10 days of use with one charging, which is impressive given all the functionality it offers. Moreover, the watch has a standby mode that allows up to 15 days of autonomy, so it can also be used for longer adventures with the need for frequent charging. Whether you are athlete, adventurer or just someone who needs a durable daily smartwatch, the AGM Legion deserves a serious look. If you are intrigued by these capabilities of this smartwatch, and I'm sure you are, you must check official sales links provided below this video. Take advantage of the current promotional pricing before it's too late, as quantities are limited. Grab your AGM Legion smartwatch today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like button, subscribe and leave a comment below. See you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.